Hello and welcome to Your Average Bear Gaming. I'm George. This is the intro video. This video is supposed to tell you all about what this channel is about. And what this channel is about building, magnetizing, and painting your Warhammer 40k miniatures. I will also occasionally make some videos about something that's related to the hobby, say about a new paint product or a new technique, something along those lines. I'll also infrequently, but still do this sometimes, create videos about some topic that I think would be of interest to my generally nerdy kind of audience. People just like me. People that like video games and movies and TV shows. Anything kind of sci-fi might show up on this channel if I think it's of interest to you. You, of course, let me know if it was. You have dozens, maybe hundreds of different channels on YouTube devoted to Warhammer 40k. Why Your Average Bear Gaming? Well, it's in the name. I'm an average bear. Well, I'm an average dude who has a bear mascot. It makes sense in here. The point is, there's a ton of people out there who are way better at painting and gaming in this hobby space. But chances are that you, watching this video, are not a pro. You're just a regular person trying to do a little bit better, maybe do your hobbying a little bit faster so you can get your minis ready for the tabletop. Well, I'm your guy. So, I'm not a pro. If you've seen any of my videos, you know I'm not a pro. But that's not what this channel is about. I am not here trying to show you how to do some sick-looking wet blends or stippling or what have you. There's a lot of advanced techniques that really look good on models. I don't have those skills. I'll work on getting those skills, but that's not what gets your minis to your tabletop quickly. So, for my magnetizing videos, these are long, but they're really detailed. I show you step by step what I did, what I drilled, where I drilled, what magnets I chose, so on and so forth. The idea here is that you can see what I did, see if it works for you, and you can try it out. More importantly, I show you my mistakes. All that stuff that goes on behind the camera that you don't see and is a really cool, polished video, I'm going to show them to you because I think it's important for us to learn from our mistakes. I make the mistakes so you don't have to. For my painting videos, these are mostly about speed painting, right? So I use priming, I use basing with glaze, I use washing with a few little details here and there. The whole idea here is to get your models looking really nice in the minimum amount of time so that you can get from cool box to awesome army on the tabletop. And as I'm painting, if I find some problem areas, like a little piece that you can't get to unless you do it this other way, I'll share those with you. So again, your life will be a little easier. So, if you want to get a little better, a little faster at getting your minis from the box to the table, check out Your Average Bear Gaming. It should be a little educational, a little entertaining. Let's get better together, shall we? Thank you for thinking about joining Your Average Bear Gaming. Be nice to yourselves and each other. Peace.